Hey guys, welcome back to the farm. Probably wondering where I've been, but we've had a odd year this year. We've had back problems, kidney stone problems. We've been traveling for work every other week, and we got a new puppy, a new member of the family, Jack. We've also reached some goals here on the farm. Now we have some cows. What is it, babies? Huh? What are y'all doing? I done give y'all a treat one time today, and y'all standing here wanting another one. Is that what y'all want? Another treat? Yeah. Yeah, you don't like Jack, I know. What is it, Red? Come here. Can you come here? Not today? You just want the treat? All right. What is it, bull? Huh? Let's go give the cows a treat. And we need to check the fence while we're in here. There's Daisy. Huh? What you doing, Claire? Yeah. Yeah, I know what y'all want. Y'all want some sweet feed, don't you? Yeah, I hear Bumper over there hollering for it.